If you are unable to access your Chase bank account and do not have verification codes, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Chase Bank website. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Username/Password. On the login page, find and click the link that says Forgot Username or Password. This will direct you to a page where you can begin the recovery process for your account. Step 3. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter your personal information such as your social security number and account number. Fill in the required fields accurately to verify your identity. Step 4. Choose recovery options. After entering your information, you may be presented with different recovery options. Since you do not have verification codes, look for an option that allows you to receive assistance through customer service or an alternative method. Step 5. Contact customer service. If you cannot recover your account online, call Chase Bank as customer service for further assistance. Be prepared to provide identification details and answer security questions to verify your identity. By following these steps, you should be able to recover access to your Chase Bank account. If you encounter any difficulties, do not hesitate to reach out to customer support for help.